Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on chance words. There are many words we can use when dealing with the topic of chance or probability. Some of the more common words are impossible, highly unlikely, unlikely, equal, likely, highly likely and certain. Some examples where each of these words could be used are as follows. What is the chance of rolling an 8? That's when you have a die which is singular of dice. The answer is impossible because there is no 8 on the die. The next example, if we spin the wheel, what is the chance that it will land on the number 6? Well, you've got 25 numbers and you've only got one 6. So the answer would be highly unlikely. Next example, if you closed your eyes and picked one marble from the box, what is the chance that the marble is blue? Well, if you have a look at it carefully, you've got 12 marbles in the box, but only 4 of them are blue, so the answer would be unlikely. The next example, if you toss a coin, what is the chance that it will land on a head? Well, because there are only two faces, one face is a head and one face is a tail, the answer is the chances are equal. The next one, if you closed your eyes and picked one number from the box, what is the chance that the number is greater than 3? Well, if you look at it, you've got 10 numbers in the box, and let's see how many numbers we have that are greater than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the answer would be it is likely that you will pick a number greater than 3. The next example, if you are walking to work and it is raining, what is the chance that you will take an umbrella? Well, common sense would dictate that you probably would, so it would be highly likely. We can never be certain, but it would certainly be highly likely. If you place your hand in the bag, what is the chance that you will pick a blue marble? Well, if you see that inside the bag they're all blue, the answer has to be certain. Here's an interesting exercise. Join each statement with the best word from the given list. Let's have a look at it. Today you will have a meal. Now, all things being equal, it is likely that you will have a meal. So I think that's the best answer. It is snowing outside, so you will go swimming in your backyard pool. Well, if it's snowing, I think it's highly unlikely that you will go swimming in your backyard pool. In athletics, you will run the 100-metre sprint in 5 seconds. Well, considering that the world-class athletes have not run the 100 metres in under 9 seconds, I would say that would be impossible. Would not happen. So in this video, we've looked at some interesting words that are used quite commonly when you are dealing with chance.